All up, there are 5 instructors contributing to this course. It is a global team passionate about creativity and arts-led learning and able to draw on wide and diverse international experiences. As the leading platform for online learning dedicated to the arts, design and creative education, Kadenze is known for its arts-led approach to course design. We have created over 3,000 hours of content, and our authors have created hundreds of courses with us. An ongoing and abiding attention to creativity in learning design is the Kadenze way. And from it, learning becomes more engaging, more relevant, more playful, and ultimately more joyful.